sunny in Springfield, Illinois, with a temperature of 39. And at Cape Girardeau, it was partly sunny with a temperature. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KXI42 listening area: in Missouri, Perry, and St. Genevieve. In Illinois, Randolph and Perry. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. At 10 a.m. at Lambert Field, it was mostly